Howdy, neighbors. Henry and his family and friends from church are having a get together at his place. It's a celebration of two family members or church members being christened today. And they came out to his property. There's about 15 of them vehicles. Oop, that looked like lightning. That are celebrating. And at the same time, rain came through here, and it's brought thunder and lightning. Which is way cool. It's been a long, long time since I heard thunder. And it smells so fresh now. But of course, that means everything that I mowed is growing. Well, weed eated. Didn't actually mow it. I've still got to go get my mower out of the back of the other van. That may be tomorrow's project. Well, I was hoping there'd be more thunder. It's pretty hard to guesstimate when you're going to get to hear it. I'm doing this on my tablet. Chilly day. That means if the heat comes back, and I believe it's supposed to, that it'll be humid as heck. There's another one. I love it. All right. Now you know what my afternoon is like. Hope you all have a good Easter tomorrow.